How to fix schedule message not working on Instagram in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store and then search here Instagram. Now click on Instagram. First of all update your Instagram. If you have any update of your Instagram, then here you can see the update option. After update your Instagram, then go back to your home screen. Your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Instagram. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After reinstall your Instagram app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.